Welcome to ITTV Global Media, the voice of engineers, and today we are at the Thai Global Summit 2022 with Murali sir. So Murali sir, I happened to hear you speak yesterday on the stage, and it was really a mesmerizing speech. So I can see your energy really coming out and spreading everywhere. So first things first, tell me the idea of this Thai Global Summit 2022.
So this is a Thai Global Summit as an idea was started in 2016 in the month of June. So me as an individual, I always keep thinking about ideas. This is a time where Thai Global as an organization, we were looking to create a global property. And that's when the idea of Thai Global Summit came. Me and my colleague at that point of time on the Global Board of Trustees, Mr. Naganand. Okay. So two of us thought about what should be that global property to bring all the entrepreneurs together. Okay. And that's what the history of Thai Global Summit is. And today we're in the 7th edition. I couldn't be more proud of it.
I can see that. And yesterday when you were speaking, believe me, everybody was hanging to every single word you were saying. And I could see that the vision which you have of India going to to that level of just startups after startups. What is your vision right now? Especially looking at the people, the mass.
See, the the vision for any entrepreneur is to have multiple entrepreneurs beside me. Okay. So I'm an entrepreneur. I've done few companies, right? So you could call me as a multiple-time entrepreneur, right? Okay. But what I would want to see from the Indian context point of view is look at the opportunities. See, India is a very, very diverse land. Okay. Every region is different. Every individual is different, right? So when you can analyze that huge opportunity, what can happen, I think that thousands of entrepreneurs can come out of those opportunities. So we should not try to become like I want to be unicorn, but can I think that can I build a 100 crore company? If I can think that I want to be a 100 crore company, then you will become a unicorn. So that's what I would want.
So Murali sir, if I have to ask you, where did you get this energy from? Or who are your mentors? Or probably whom do you look up to?
My dad. So if I have to say, my dad has been my mentor, my guru, right? In fact, he's no longer there. Okay. So I even pray to him as a god, right? Okay. So my inspiration comes from him, right? But other than that, I have, in real life, I have quite a few mentors. See, I'm talking to you. By the time we end this conversation, I'll pick one or two things from you where I'll try to inculcate in my day-to-day life, right? My passion or my interest comes from the zeal to create that effort to how do I bring multiple people together. So that's where my passion comes from.
Wow. Yeah. And sir, have you got some success stories of people who have touched you and grown up? If you have a few, I mean, even one would do right now.
Actually, I mean, quite a few. My wife keeps telling me that I have this, whoever has worked with me, and when they go on venture, they've done exceptionally well. Wow. Right? So there's a guy who has now settled in US, okay. Right? In fact, he used to be a front office manager in the hotel which I used to own, right? Oh. Yeah, so now he's doing extremely well in US. Oh. So, I mean, yeah, there are quite a few such people who have done or who have touched or who have helped done exceptionally well.
So you've shared the stage with a lot of personalities yesterday, and definitely you being your own personality and head in a think tank. I feel that there should be a message going to the startup people, to the new entrepreneurs who are coming up. And I think one which you've said is that creativity, and I really want you to give me that one more push. What do you think is that one thing which
courage.
Courage.
Okay. So as I said yesterday, utsaham, sahasam, dhairyam, right? Yes. So you got to have that sahasam, and dhairyam is the fearlessness. Okay. Right? So if you can have those two, right? So basically it comes, I mean, I'm sure everyone says this, right? Mm-hmm. Not to have that fear of failure, yes. Right? Yeah. So it is that, right? It is that. So I think our Hindu culture has told much before. True. And today the people are talking about Utsaham, Sahasam, Dhairyam, right? So that's the message which I want to give. Yeah.
I think Utsaham, Saham, Dhairyam, and let's not forget Vande Telangana is what I heard yesterday. And I think yes, definitely Telangana has to grow. And in case if I see people like you, sir, heading, definitely we are growing for sure. I think we should have multiple Murali sirs in future, standing and helping people, hand holding the new entrepreneurs and taking them ahead. So thank you for
Thank
your
you very
time.
much.
It was
Absolutely appreciate
nice
it.